Information tonight about a road rage shooting on I-55 where shots were fired into a car with 4 kids inside.
One man was hurt. 5 on your side's Alex Fees has more on the charges filed in this case and what led up to this gunfire.
Let cooler heads prevail. Slow down, let those aggressive drivers go around you.
That's what Missouri State Highway Patrol officials say after this incident Friday afternoon on I-55 in Jefferson County. Investigators say a family of 6 on vacation from Tennessee was traveling north on I-55 north of Peevely when 2 women in a white Ford Focus pulled up alongside them and started shooting.
The 2 vehicles kind of engaged in a somewhat what you call road rage, whether it be verbal or whether it just be by tapping the brakes or whatever the exchange was. Ultimately,
another senseless, violent act from road rage. Now,
one of the vehicles pulled up alongside of the other vehicle and fired a shot into the vehicle, striking the passenger in the hip.
Police tracked the suspect's vehicle and arrested 2 female occupants. 22-year-old Shanika Fouché of Memphis faces charges including 2 counts of first-degree assault and 5 counts of endangering the welfare of a child.
5 counts of endangering the welfare of a child?
Correct. There was 4 children inside the vehicle that was shot into, and then they had 1 child inside the vehicle with them whenever she fired a shot from it.
Corporal, there was a time when tapping your brakes like that was acceptable behavior. These days, it puts you at risk.
Right. It really does. You know, people right now, for some reason, they're more aggressive than they used to be. And people just don't have the cooler heads that we used to have.
Incidents like this one, which took place on a Friday afternoon on a major interstate in the middle of America, are changing what it means to be a safe driver.
Slow down, let them go by. If you need to, take the next exit and let them keep on going.
The new defensive driving. Alex Fees, 5 on your side.
The injured father was treated at a local hospital and released. No word yet on whether the driver of the suspect's car will face charges. Police did recover a handgun.
Jury selection.